Sa wedding ring naman, pinagawa namin yun and 15,000 pesos yung nabayad namin. Kumuha kami ng wedding coordinator kasi kami lang talaga ng husband ko ang nag-asikaso at 60,000 yung kinuha naming wedding package. Hindi included dito ang venue at mga pagkain. Ang mga inclusions dito ay wedding gown, groom's tuxedo, mother's dress, father's barong, whole entourage with 4 bridesmaids, groomsmen, 5 flower girls, 3 bearers, hair and makeup for 12 persons, venue and church decorations, bridal car, photography, videography, prenup session, free coordination, wedding cake, wine, MC, 50 pieces invitations, and 50 pieces giveaways. Ang album at hard copies ng mga pictures ay hindi kasama, mahal kasi 4,000 for 40 pieces lang. Kaya nag-decide kami na kami na lang yung magpapaprint at bibili na lang kami ng album. So again, ang nagastos namin dito is 60,000 pesos.